माननीय सदस्यगण अपनी ओर से तथा सदन के माननीय सदस्यों की ओर से तथा सदन के माननीय सदस्यों की ओर से आईपीयू अंतर संसदीय संघ प्रेसिडेंट आईपीयू तंजानिया प्रेसिडेंट संयुक्त गणराज्य की तंजानिया असेंबली के अध्यक्ष संयुक्त गणराज्य माननीय नेशनल असेंबली के अध्यक्ष का स्वागत करते हुए अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हो रही है। स्वागत करते हुए अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हो रही है। सम्मानित अतिथि हमारी भारत की सम्मानित अतिथि के रूप में यात्रा पर आई। भारत की हमारे लिए खुशी है कि यात्रा पर आई है। डॉक्टर एक्स हमारे लिए खुशी है कि बात को देखने के लिए डॉक्टर एक्स उपस्थित है। बजट सत्र को देखने के लिए माननीय डॉक्टर तुल्य एक्शन शुक्रवार माननीय डॉक्टर तुल्य एक्शन 19 जुलाई शुक्रवार दिनांक 2024 को भारत 19 जुलाई उन्होंने 2024 जुलाई को 2024 को आगरा का भ्रमण जुलाई 2024 और उस समय आगरा का भ्रमण किया बॉक्स में और उस समय वो भारत में बॉक्स में उनके सुखद हम भारत में प्रवास की कामना उनके सुखद हम अंतर संसदीय संघ के प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में हम उनकी भूमिका के लिए प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में सफलता की भी कामना करते हैं। भूमिका के लिए उनके माध्यम से की भी कामना करते हैं। तंजानिया गणराज्य के माध्यम से सदस्यों हम तंजानिया गणराज्य की संसद के सदस्यों वहाँ की मित्र तंजानिया की सरकार बधाई और वहाँ की मित्र जनता को बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। माननीय सदस्यगण जैसा कि आपको समाचार भाग 2 के माध्यम से जैसा कि आपको समाचार भाग 2 के माध्यम से कि माननीय पहले ही सूचित किया जा चुका है कि बजट भाषण की प्रतियां वित्त मंत्री के बजट भाषण की प्रतियां आई जाएगी। हार्ड कॉपी के बजट प्रस्तुत हो जाने के पश्चात जाएगी। माननीय बजट प्रस्तुत
Honorable Speaker, I present the budget for 24-25. I present the budget for 24-25. The people of India, introduction, have reposed their faith. The people of India, in the government led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, in the government led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and re-elected it under his historic third term under his leadership. We are grateful for their support. Faith. We are grateful for their support. Trust in our policies. Faith. We are determined to ensure that all Indians, we are determined to regardless of religion, that all Indians, caste, regardless of religion and age, make substantial progress and age in realizing their life goals progress and aspirations. In realizing their life goals and aspirations. Global context. The global economy, while performing better than expected, economy is still in the grip better than expected uncertainties. Is still in the grip of elevated asset prices, political uncertainty, elevated asset prices, and shipping disruptions. Political uncertainty continue to pose and shipping disruptions significant downside risks to pose for growth significant and upside risks to inflation. For growth and upside risks in this context, to inflation. India's economic growth in this context continues to be the shining exception, continues to be the shining in the years ahead, and will remain so in the years ahead. India's inflation continues to be low. India's inflation continues to be towards low, the 4% stable, and moving towards the 4% that is non-food and non-fuel inflation. Currently is non-food and non-fuel. Currently steps are being taken to ensure supplies of perishable goods reach markets. Supplies of perishable goods reach markets. Interim budget. As mentioned in the interim budget, as mentioned in the interim budget, major castes. We need to focus on 4 major castes. Mahilaye, namely Yuva, the Garib, and Annadata. Mahilaye, Yuva, the poor, and Annadata. Women, youth, and the farmer. Women, youth, and the farmer. We announced higher minimum support
Annadaata,
prices.
we announced
a month
higher
ago
minimum support
for all
prices
major crops.
a month ago,
delivering on the
for
promise
all major
of
crops,
at least a
delivering on the
50%
promise
margin
of at
over
least
costs.
a 50% margin over costs. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana,
Pradhan Mantri
was
Garib
extended
Kalyan
for
Anna
5
Yojana
years, was
benefiting
benefiting
more
more
than
than
80
80 crore
extended.
people,
Benefiting
for 5
more than
years,
80
benefiting
crore
more
people.
than 80
Administrative
crore
actions
people
for approval.
administrative
implementation
actions
of various
for
schemes
administrative actions
announced
and
in the
implementation
interim
of
budget
various schemes
are well
announced in the interim budget.
The required allocations
are well
in the interim
underway.
budget
Made. The
are
required
well underway.
allocation schemes
have
the
been
required
made.
announced in the
Allocations
interim budget
have been made.
are
Budget
well underway.
theme.
The required
Budget theme
allocations have been made.
Turning attention to the full year and
Budget
beyond
theme
in this budget,
turning
we
attention to the full
focus
year
on
and beyond
employment
in this budget,
skilling,
we particularly
MSMEs
focus on
and the middle
employment,
class.
skilling.
I'm happy to announce
MSMEs
the Prime
and the
Minister's
middle class.
package of 5
I'm happy to
schemes
announce
and
the Prime
initiatives
Minister's package
to facilitate
of 5
employment,
schemes,
skilling,
and initiatives
and other opportunities
to facilitate
for
employment,
4.1
skilling,
crore youth
and other
over a
opportunities
5-year period
for 4.1 crore youth
with a
over a
central
5-year
outlay
period.
of 2 lakh crore rupees.
With a central
I will
outlay
speak
of
about them shortly.
2 lakh crore
While
rupees.
more details may be seen
I will speak
in the
about them
annexure.
shortly.
This
While
year,
more
I've
details
made a
may be
provision
seen
of
in the annexure.
1.48 lakh rupees.
This year,
I've made a provision of 1.48 lakh
for
rupees
education,
employment,
1.48
and
lakh
skilling.
crore rupees for education,
Budget
employment,
priorities.
and
The
skilling.
people have given a unique opportunity
Budget
to our
priorities.
government to take
The
the
people
country
have
on
given
the
a
path
unique
of strong
opportunity
development
to our
and
government
an all-round
to take
prosperity.
the country on the path
In
of
the interim
strong
budget,
development
we
and an
promise to
all-round
present
prosperity.
a detailed roadmap
In the interim budget,
for our
we
pursuit
promise
of
to
Viksit
present
Bharat,
a detailed
in line with the
roadmap
strategy
for our
set out
pursuit
in the
of
interim
Viksit
budget.
Bharat.
This
In
budget
line with the strategy
envisages
set out in the
sustained
interim
efforts
budget.
on the following
This budget
9
envisages
priorities for
sustained
generating
efforts on the
ample
following
opportunities
9
for all.
priorities for
Number
generating
1,
ample
productivity
opportunities
and
for
resilience
all.
in agriculture.
Number 1,
Number 2,
productivity
employment
and
resilience
skilling.
in agriculture.
Number 3,
Number two,
inclusive human
employment
resource
and skilling.
development and social justice.
Number 3,
inclusive human resource
manufacturing
development and
services.
social justice.
5,
4,
urban development.
manufacturing and
6,
services.
energy security.
5, urban
7,
development.
infrastructure.
6, energy
8,
security.
Innovation,
7,
research,
infrastructure.
and development. 8,
And 9,
innovation,
next
research,
generation
and
reforms.
development. And 9,
subsequent budgets
next
will
generation
build on these
reforms.
and add more priorities and
Subsequent
actions.
budgets
A more
will build on
detailed
these
formulation
and add more
will be
priorities
carried
and
out
actions.
as part
A
of the
more
economic
detailed
policy
formulation
framework about
will be
which
carried out
I will
as
speak
part of the
later
economic
in
policy
this
framework
speech.
about which I will speak
This budget
later
details
in this
some of the
speech.
specific actions
To be initiated
This budget
in the
details
current year
some of the
towards
specific
fulfillment
actions
of these
to be initiated
priorities in the
with
current
potential
year
for
towards
transformative
fulfillment
changes.
of these
The
priorities.
budget also covers
with potential
some
for
of the previously
transformative
made
changes.
announcements with
The
intent
budget
to
also
strengthen
covers
them some
and
of the
step
previously
up their
made
implementation
announcements
with
for
intent to
expediting
strengthen them
our
and
journey
step up their
towards the
implementation
goal
of
for
Viksit
expediting
Bharat. Our journey
Priority
towards the
1,
goal of Viksit
productivity and
Bharat.
resilience
in
Priority
agriculture.
1,
Transforming
productivity and
agricultural
resilience
research
in
agriculture.
our government
will undertake
transforming
a comprehensive
agricultural
research
research.
of the research.
Our government
Agricultural
will
research
undertake a
set up
comprehensive
to bring
review
the focus
of the
on
research,
raising productivity
agricultural research
and
set up
developing climate
to bring the
resilient
focus on
varieties.
raising productivity
and developing climate
Funding will be
resilient
provided
varieties,
in challenge mode.
including to the private
Funding will
sector.
be provided
Domain
in
experts,
challenge mode,
both from the government
including to the
and
private
outside,
sector. Will
Domain
oversee
experts,
the conduct
both from the
of
government
such
and
research.
outside, will oversee
Release
the
of new
conduct
varieties.
of such
New
research.
109 high yielding
Release of
and
new
climate
varieties.
resilient varieties.
New
109
32
high yielding
and
and
climate
climate
resilient
resilient
varieties
will be released
of
for
32
cultivation
field
and
by
horticultural
farmers
crops will be released
Natural farming
for cultivation by farmers.
In the
Natural
next 2
farming
years,
1 crore farmers across the country.
In the next 2
will
years,
be initiated
1 crore
into
farmers
natural farming
across the country
supported by
will be
certification
initiated
and branding.
into natural
Implementation
supported
will
by
be through
certification
scientific institutions
and branding.
and willing
Implementation
gram panchayats
will be through scientific
10,000
institutions
need-based
and willing
bio-input
gram
resource
panchayats
centers will be
10,000
need-based bio-input resource centers will be
Missions
established
for
pulses and oilseeds. For achieving self-sufficiency in pulses and oilseeds, we will strengthen their self-sufficiency, storage and marketing. We will strengthen their production, interim budget, storage, a strategy is being put in place to achieve, as announced in the interim budget, a strategy is being put in place to achieve Atmanirbhar groundnut for sesame seeds, soybean, mustard and sunflower, groundnut, sesame, vegetable production and supply chains, and sunflower. Large-scale vegetable production and supply chains will be developed. Large-scale, closer to major consumption production will be developed. Farmer producer closer to major consumption centers. Cooperatives. We will promote farmer producer organizations, including cooperatives for collection and storage for vegetable supply chains, including digital public infrastructure for agriculture and marketing. Digital public infrastructure for agriculture of the pilot project. Our government, buoyed by the success of the pilot project, will facilitate the implementation of the digital public infrastructure. Will facilitate the implementation of the digital public and infrastructure in 3 years. In agriculture, during this year, farmers digital and their land survey 3 years. For Kharif, using the DPI, will be taken up survey in 400 districts. Using the DPI, the details of will be taken up farmers in 400 districts. And their lands. The details of 6 crore into the farmer and their land registries will be brought further into the farmer and land registries. Kisan credit cards will be enabled in 5 states. Kisan credit cards will be enabled in 5 states. Production and export. Financial support for setting up production and of nucleus breeding centers. Financial support for setting up stocks. A network will be nucleus breeding centers. Financing for shrimp farming stocks. Processing will be provided. And export. Financing for shrimp farming through NABARD. Processing and export. National will be facilitated policy through NABARD. Our government will bring out a national cooperation policy for systematic will bring out a national and cooperation development for systematic sector and all-round development growth of rural economy and generation of employment opportunities growth on a large economy will be generation of employment opportunities on a large scale. This year, I have made a provision of 1.52 lakh crore rupees. I have made a provision of 1.52 lakh crore rupees for agriculture and allied sectors. Priority 2, employment and skilling. Employment priority 2 incentive. Employment and skilling. Our government will implement following 3 schemes. Incentive for employment linked incentive will implement as following of the Prime Minister's package. For employment linked incentive will be based on enrollment in the EPF package and focus on recognition on enrollment in the EPF and focus on recognition and first-time employees. And support to employees and employers. This scheme will provide 1 month wage to all persons newly entering the workforce. Will provide 1 month wage to all persons newly entering the workforce in all formal sectors. Direct benefit transfer of 1 month's salary in 3 installments to first-time employees. Of 1 month's salary in 3 installments to first-time up to 15,000 rupees. As registered in the EPF, the eligibility limit will be up to 15,000 rupees 1 lakh per month. The eligibility limit is expected to benefit 210 lakh youth. The scheme is expected to benefit 210 lakh youths. Scheme B, job creation in manufacturing. This scheme will incentivize in manufacturing in the manufacturing sector will incentivize linked to the employment of first-time in the manufacturing sector. An incentive linked to the employment of specified employees directly. An incentive will be provided and the employer specified scale with respect directly both to the contribution in the first 4 years of the EPFO contribution. The scheme is expected to benefit 4 years of 30 lakh youth. The scheme is expected to benefit and their employers. 30 lakh youth entering employment and their employers. Scheme C, support to employers. This employer focus scheme support to employers. Additional employment in all schemes will cover additional employment within a salary of 1 lakh rupee per month. All additional employment will be counted within a salary of 1 lakh rupee to employers will be up to 3,000 rupees per month. The government will reimburse for 2 years to employers towards the EPFO contribution per month for each additional employee. Towards the EPFO the scheme is expected for each to incentivize employee. Additional employment. The scheme is expected of 50 lakh to incentivize additional employment of 50 lakh persons. Participation of women in the workforce. We will facilitate participation of women in the workforce. We will facilitate higher working women hostels of women in the workforce with industry through setting up and establishing women hostels. In collaboration with industry, the partnership will seek to organize creches, women-specific skilling programs, the partnership will seek to organize market access women-specific for women skilling programs, and promotion of market access for women skilling programs. I'm happy to announce a new centrally sponsored scheme. I'm happy to announce a new centrally sponsored Prime Minister's package for skilling in collaboration with state under the Prime Minister's and industry. For skilling in collaboration with state governments and industry. Over a 5-year 20 lakh youth will be skilled over a 5-year period. 1,000 industrial training institutes will be upgraded. 1,000 industrial training institutes with outcome will be upgraded in hub course content arrangements and design outcome will be aligned to the skill needs of industry and design courses will be aligned to the skill needs of industry and new courses will be introduced for emerging needs. The model skill loan scheme skilling loans to facilitate the model skill loan scheme will be revised to facilitate with a guarantee from a government promoted fund. Lakh rupees. This measure is expected to help from a government promoted fund. 25,000 students. This measure is expected to help 25,000 students every year. Education loans. For helping our youth who have not been eligible, education loans for any benefit, for helping our youth under who have not been eligible and policies, for any benefit, I'm happy to announce under government financial support and policies for loans up to 10 lakh rupees, a financial education for loans domestic up to 10 institutions, for higher education in domestic institutions. E-vouchers for this purpose. E-vouchers for this purpose will be given directly to 1 lakh students every year. For annual will be given directly to 1 lakh students every year of the loan for amount. Annual interest subvention of 3% priority 3. Inclusive human resource development and social justice. Inclusive human resource development and social justice. All-round saturation approach. And our government is committed to all-round people, particularly farmers, youth development and the people, particularly farmers, social justice comprehensively, and the saturation approach of covering social justice comprehensively. People. The saturation approach of covering, including those eligible education and health, through various programs to including those for education and health capabilities, will be adopted to implementation of schemes meant for supporting economic activities
Implementation
by
of
craftsmen,
schemes meant for
artisans,
supporting
self-help
economic
groups, scheduled
activities
caste,
by craftsmen,
scheduled tribe,
artisans,
and women
self-help
entrepreneurs,
groups,
and street
scheduled
vendors,
caste,
such as
scheduled
the PM
tribe,
Vishwakarma,
and women
PM
entrepreneurs,
Swanidhi, and street
national
vendors,
livelihood
such as
missions,
the PM
and Stand Up
Vishwakarma,
India,
PM
will
Swanidhi,
be stepped
national
up.
livelihood missions,
Purvodaya.
and Stand Up India will
The states
be
in the
stepped
eastern
up.
part of the country
Purvodaya
are rich in endowments.
The states
and
in the
have
eastern
strong
part
cultural
of the
traditions.
country
are
we will
rich in
formulate a
endowments
plan
and have
Purvodaya
strong cultural
for
traditions.
for the
We will
all-round
formulate a
development
plan
of the
Purvodaya
eastern region
for
of the country,
all-round- for the
covering
all-round
Bihar,
development
Jharkhand,
of the eastern
West Bengal,
region of the country,
Odisha,
and
covering
Andhra
Bihar,
Pradesh.
Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha,
This will cover
and Andhra Pradesh.
human resource development,
This will
infrastructure,
cover
and
human
generation of
resource
economic
development
opportunities to make the region
infrastructure
an
and
engine
generation
to
of
attain
economic
Viksit
opportunities
Bharat.
to make the region
On the Amritsar
an engine
Kolkata
to attain
industrial
Viksit
corridor.
Bharat.
We will support
On the Amritsar
development of an
Kolkata
industrial node
industrial
at
corridor.
Gaya. We will
This
support
corridor
development
will
of an
catalyze
industrial node at
industrial
Gaya.
development of the
This
eastern
corridor
region.
will
The
catalyze
industrial node at
industrial
Gaya
development of the eastern region. Will also
The
be
industrial
a
node
good
at
model
Gaya
for developing our ancient
will
centers
also
of
be
cultural
a good
importance
model for
into
developing
future
our
centers
ancient
of
centers
modern
of
economy.
cultural importance.
Into future
This
centers
model of
shall
modern
showcase
economy.
Vikas B,
Virasat
this
B
model
in a
shall
growth
showcase
trajectory.
Vikas B,
Virasat B in a growth
we will
trajectory.
also support development of road connectivity projects.
Namely,
We will also
1.
support development
Patna
of road
Purnia
connectivity
Expressway.
projects.
2.
Namely,
Buxar
1.
Bhagalpur Expressway.
Patna Purnia
3.
Expressway.
Bodh
2.
Gaya,
Buxar
Rajgir,
Bhagalpur Expressway.
Vaishali and Darbhanga spurs.
Bodh Gaya
and
Rajgir,
4.
additional
Vaishali and
two-lane bridge
Darbhanga
over River
spurs.
Ganga,
And
and 4.
4. At a total
Additional
cost of
two-lane bridge over River
26,000
Ganga
crore
at
rupees.
Buxar, at a total cost of 26,000 crore rupees. Power projects, including setting up of a new 2,400
Power plant
including setting up of a new 2,400
will be taken
megawatt
up at a
power
cost
plant
of
at
21,400 crore
will be
rupees.
taken up at a cost of 21,400
New airports,
crore. Medical
rupees.
colleges and sports infrastructure
New
in Bihar
airports
will be constructed.
medical
colleges and sports infrastructure in Bihar will be constructed. An additional allocation to support capital investments. An additional allocation
provided
to support
the requests of
capital
Bihar
investments for
will be
external
provided.
assistance
The
from
requests of
multilateral
Bihar
development
governments
banks
will
for
be
external
expedited.
assistance from multilateral development banks will be expedited. Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act efforts to fulfill the commitments in Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. Efforts to fulfill the commitments in Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. Recognizing the state's need for recognizing the state's need for the recognizing the state's need for a recognizing as we will facilitate recognizing the state's need for a capital through multilateral development agencies special financial support through multilateral development agencies in the current financial year 15,000 crore rupees in the current financial year 15,000 amounts rupees in future will be arranged with additional amounts in future years. Our government is fully committed to financing. Our government is fully committed of the Polavaram to financing and early completion lifeline of the Polavaram irrigation project, which is the lifeline for Andhra Pradesh and its farmers, which is the lifeline for Andhra Pradesh's food security as well. This will facilitate our country's food security as well. Under the Act, Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act,
For promoting
Under the
industrial
Act,
development,
Andhra Pradesh
funds will
Reorganization
be
Act,
provided for essential
promoting
infrastructure,
industrial development,
such as water.
funds will
power,
be provided for
railways,
essential infrastructure,
and roads, such as water,
in Koppar,
Koparthi Node,
railways
on the
and
Visakhapatnam Chennai industrial
in
corridor,
Koparthi Node,
and
on the
Varavakal
Visakhapatnam
Node,
Chennai
on the
industrial
Hyderabad
corridor,
Bangalore industrial
and
corridor,
Varavakal Node,
and
on the
additional
Hyderabad
allocation
Bangalore
will be
industrial
provided
corridor
this year towards
and
capital
additional
investment
allocation
for
will be
economic
provided
growth.
this year
Towards capital
grants
investment
for backward
economic
regions of
growth.
Rayalaseema, Prakasham,
Grants for
North
backward
Coastal
regions
Andhra,
of
as stated
Rayalaseema
in the Act,
Prakasham,
will be provided.
North Coastal Andhra,
As stated in the Act,
PM
will be
Awas
provided.
Yojana. PM Awas Yojana.
3 crore additional houses under the PM Awas Yojana.
3 crore
in
additional
rural
houses
and urban areas
under the PM
in the country
Awas Yojana
have been
in
announced
rural and
for
urban
which the
areas
necessary
in the
allocations
country
are
will
being
have
made.
been announced
For which the necessary allocations
women-led
are being
development.
made. For promoting women-led development,
Women-led
the budget
development.
carries an allocation
For promoting women-led
of
development,
more than 3
the
lakh
budget
crore
carries an
for
allocation
schemes benefiting women and
of
girls.
more than 3 lakh
The
crore
signal for schemes benefiting
This
women and
signals
girls.
our government's
The
commitment
signal
for enhancing
This
women's
signals
role
our
in
government's
economic
commitment
development.
for enhancing
Pradhan Mantri
women's
Janjatiya
role
Unnat
in economic
Gram Abhiyan.
development. For
Pradhan
improving
Mantri
the
Janjatiya
socio-economic
Unnat
condition
Gram
of tribal
Abhiyan.
communities,
For
we will launch
improving
the
the
Pradhan Mantri
socio-economic
Janjatiya
condition of
Unnat
tribal
Gram Abhiyan
communities
by
we will
adopting
launch the
saturation
Pradhan Mantri
coverage
Janjatiya
for tribal
Unnat Gram
families
Abhiyan
in
by
tribal
adopting
majority
saturation
villages
coverage
and
for
aspirational
tribal families
families in tribal majority villages and aspirational districts. This will cover 63,000 villages, benefiting 5 crore
This
tribal
will cover
people. 63,000 villages,
Bank
benefiting
branches in
5
northeastern
crore tribal
region.
people. More than 100
Branches
branches
in
of India
northeastern
Post Payment
region
Bank will be
More
set up
than
in the
100
northeast
branches
region
of
to
India
expand
Post
the
Payment
banking
Bank
services. Will be set up in the northeast region to expand the banking services. This year, I have made a provision of 2.66 lakh crore
This
rupees
year,
for
I
rural
have made a
development,
provision of
including
2.66
rural
lakh
infrastructure
crore rupees
for rural development,
Priority 4,
including rural infrastructure.
manufacturing and services.
Priority
Support
4
for promotion of MSMEs.
manufacturing and
This
services
budget provides
support
special
for promotion
attention
of
to
MSMEs
and
This
manufacturing
budget provides
particularly
special
labor
attention to
intensive
MSMEs
manufacturing.
and manufacturing.
We have formulated a
particularly
package
labor
covering
intensive
financing,
manufacturing, regulatory changes.
We have
and
formulated a
technology
package
support for
covering
MSMEs
financing,
to help
regulatory
them grow
changes
and also
and
compete
technology
globally
support for
as
MSMEs
mentioned in the
to
interim
help them
budget.
grow and
I'm
also
happy to
compete
announce the
globally
following specific
as mentioned
measures
in the interim budget.
Credit
I'm happy
guarantee
to
scheme
announce
for
the following
MSMEs
specific
in the
measures.
manufacturing sector. Credit guarantee scheme
For
for MSMEs
facilitating
in
term
the
loans
manufacturing sector.
to MSMEs
For purchase
for
of machinery
facilitating term
and
loans
equipment
to
without
MSMEs
collateral.
for purchase
or
of
third-party
machinery
guarantee
and equipment
a credit
without
guarantee
collateral
scheme will be
or
introduced.
third-party guarantee.
The scheme will
A
operate
credit guarantee
on pooling
scheme
of credit
will be
risks
introduced.
of such
The
MSMEs.
scheme will operate
a
on
separately
pooling of credit
constituted
risks
self-financing
of such
MSMEs.
guarantee fund
A
will
separately
provide
constituted
to each
self-financing guarantee
guarantee
cover up to
fund
100
will
crore
provide
rupees
to each applicant
while the loan
guarantee
amount
cover
may
up
be
to
larger.
100 crore rupees. The
While
borrower
the
will
loan
have to
amount
provide
may
an
be
upfront
larger.
guarantee fee
and an
the
annual
borrower
guarantee
will
fee
have to
on the
provide
reducing
an
loan
upfront
guarantee
balance
fee and an annual
New
guarantee
assessment
fee
model
on the
for
reducing
MSME
loan
credit.
balance. Public sector banks
New assessment
will
model
build their
for
own
MSME
in-house
credit.
capability
Public
to
sector
assess
banks
MSMEs
will
for
build
credit
their own
instead
in-house
of relying
capability
on
to
external
assess
MSMEs
assessment.
for credit.
They will also take
instead
a
of
lead
relying
in
on
developing
external
or
assessment.
getting developed.
They
A
will
new
also
credit
take a
assessment
lead
model
in developing
based on
or
the
getting
scoring of
developed a
digital
new credit
footprints
assessment
of
model
the MSMEs
based on
in
the
the
scoring
economy.
of
This is
digital
expected to be a
footprints
significant
of the
improvement
MSMEs
in the
over
economy.
the traditional assessment.
This is expected
of
to
credit
be a
eligibility
significant
based
improvement
only
over the
on
traditional
asset
assessment
or
of
turnover
credit eligibility
criteria
based
that
only
will also
on
cover
asset
MSMEs
or turnover
without
criteria.
a formal accounting
That will
system.
also cover MSMEs without
Credit support
a
to
formal
MSMEs during
accounting
stress
system.
period.
I'm happy to
Credit
announce
support to
a new
MSMEs
mechanism
during stress
for
period.
facilitating continuation
I'm happy
of
to
bank
announce
credit
a new
to
mechanism
MSMEs
for
during
facilitating
their stress
continuation
period,
of bank
while
credit
being in
to
special
MSMEs
mention account
during their
SMA
stress
account,
period.
SMA
While
stage,
being in
for
special
reasons
mention
beyond
account,
their control,
SMA account.
MSMEs
SMA
need
stage,
credit for
to
reasons
continue their
beyond
business
their control,
and to avoid getting
MSMEs
into the
need
NPA
credit
stage.
to continue their business
Credit availability
and to
will
avoid
be
getting
supported
into the NPA
through a guarantee
stage.
from a
Credit
government-promoted
availability
fund.
will be supported through a guarantee
Mudra loans
from a government
The limit of
promoted
Mudra
fund
loans
will be enhanced to 20
Mudra
lakh
loans
from the current
The
10
limit
lakh.
of Mudra
for
loans
those
will be
enhanced to 20 lakh from the current 10 lakh.
For
Who have
those
availed and
entrepreneurs
successfully repaid previous loans under
Who
the
have
Tarun
availed and
category.
successfully repaid
Enhanced
previous
scope for
loans
mandatory
under the
onboarding
Tarun
in
category.
TREADS.
For
Enhanced
facilitating
scope for
MSMEs to
mandatory
unlock their
onboarding
working
in
capital.
TREADS.
By
For
converting their
facilitating
trade
MSMEs to
receivables
unlock
into
their
cash,
working capital,
I propose to
by
reduce the
converting their
turnover
trade
threshold
receivables into
of
cash,
buyers for
I propose
mandatory
to reduce
onboarding
the
on
turnover
TREADS
threshold
platform of buyers
from rupees
for
500
mandatory
crore
onboarding on
to
the TREADS
250
platform
crore rupees.
from rupees
This
500
measure
crore
will
to
bring
250 crore
22
rupees.
more CPSCs
This measure
and
will bring
7,000 more
22
companies
more
onto the platform.
CPSCs.
Medium
And 7,000
enterprises
more
will also
companies
be included
onto the
in the
platform.
scope of the suppliers.
Medium enterprises will also be
SIDBI
included
branches
in the scope
in
of the
MSME
suppliers.
clusters.
SIDBI will
SIDBI
open
branches
new
in
branches
MSME
to
clusters.
expand its reach.
SIDBI
to
will
serve
open
all major
new branches
MSME clusters
to expand
within
its
3
reach
years
to
and
serve
provide
all major
direct
MSME
credit to them.
clusters within 3
With
years.
the opening of
and
24
provide
such
direct
branches
credit to
this
them.
year, the service
With the
coverage
opening
will
of
expand
24
to
such branches this year,
168
the
out of
service
242
will expand
major
to 168
out of 242 major
MSME
clusters.
units for food irradiation,
quality and safety
MSME
testing,
units for food
financial
irradiation,
support for quality
setting up
and
of
safety
50
testing,
multi-financial support
food
for
irradiation
setting up
units
of 50
in the MSME sector
multi-product
will be
food
provided.
irradiation
Setting up
units
of
in the
100
MSME
food
sector
quality and
will be
safety
provided.
testing labs,
Setting
with
up
NABL
of 100 food
accreditation
quality and
will be
safety testing
facilitated.
labs with
E-commerce
e-commerce export
accreditation
hubs
will
to
be
enable
facilitated.
MSMEs and
E-commerce
traditional artisans
export hubs
to sell their products
to enable
in
MSMEs
international markets
and traditional artisans
e-commerce
to sell their
export
products
hubs in
will be
international
set up
markets.
in public-private partnership
E-commerce
mode.
export
These
hubs will be
under
set
a
up in
seamless
public-private
regulatory and
partnership
logistic
mode.
framework.
These hubs
will facilitate
under a
trade
seamless
and
regulatory and
export-related
logistic
services
framework
under one
will
roof.
facilitate trade
and export-related
measures for
services
promotion of
under one
manufacturing
roof.
and services. Internship
Measures
in
for
top
promotion
companies
of manufacturing
as
and
the fifth
services
scheme
under
internship
Prime
in
Minister's
top companies.
package.
As
Our
the
government
fifth scheme
will launch a
under
comprehensive
Prime
scheme
Minister's package
for providing
Our
internship.
government will launch a
Internship
comprehensive
opportunities
scheme
in
for
500
providing
top
internship
companies
to
internship
1 crore
opportunities
youth
in 5
500
years.
top companies to 1
They
crore
will
youth
gain
in 5 years. They will gain exposure for 12 months to real life business
will
environment.
gain exposure
Varied
for 12
professions
months
and
to real life
employment
business
opportunities.
environment.
Varied
And
professions
internship allowance of
and
5,000
employment
per opportunities.
month, 5,000 rupees
And
per month.
internship allowance
along
of
with
5,000
a one-time
per month,
assistance
5,000
of
rupees per month,
6,000 rupees
along
will
with
be
a
provided.
one-time assistance
Companies will be
of
expected to bear
6,000
the
rupees
training cost
will be provided.
and 10% of their
Companies will be
internship
expected
cost
to bear
from
the
their
training
CSR
cost
funds
and 10% of their internship
Industrial
cost
parks.
from their CSR
Our
funds.
government will facilitate development of
Industrial
investment
parks
parks ready. Our
Plug and
government
play.
will facilitate
Industrial
development
parks
of investment
with complete
ready.
infrastructure
Plug
in
and play
or near
industrial
100
parks
cities
with complete
in partnership with the
infrastructure
states
in
and
or
private
near
sector.
100
By better
cities
using
in
town planning
partnership with the
schemes.
states and
12
private sector
industrial
by
parks
better using
under
town
the
planning
National
schemes.
Industrial Corridor
12
Development Program
industrial parks
also will
under
be
the National
sanctioned.
Industrial Corridor Development Program also will be sanctioned.
Veggie member no, please Petty. Veggie member no, please Petty.
rental housing with dormitory type accommodation for industrial workers with dormitory type accommodation for industrial
Rental
workers
housing, I repeat,
will
rental
be housing with dormitory type accommodation
rental housing,
for
I repeat,
industrial workers
rental housing
will be
with dormitory
facilitated
type accommodation
in PPP
for
mode
industrial
with
workers
VGF support
will be
and
facilitated
commitment from
in
anchor
PPP
industries
mode with
shipping
VGF
industry
support
and
ownership,
commitment from
leasing
anchor
and
industries.
flagging reforms
Shipping
will
industry
be implemented
ownership,
to improve the
leasing
share of
and
Indian
flagging
shipping
reforms
industry and
will be
generate
implemented
more
to
employment.
improve the share of Indian shipping industry
Critical
and
mineral
generate
mission.
more employment. We will set up a critical mineral mission for domestic production.
We will set up a
recycling
critical
of
mineral mission,
critical
mission
minerals for
and
domestic
overseas
production,
acquisition
recycling
of critical
of
mineral
critical
assets.
minerals. Its
And
mandate
overseas
will include
acquisition
technology
of critical
development,
mineral assets.
skilled workforce.
Its mandate
extended
will
producer
include
responsibility,
technology development,
skilled
extended
workforce,
producer
extended
responsibility
producer
framework,
responsibility,
and a suitable financing
extended
mechanism.
producer responsibility
Offshore
framework
mining of minerals
and a suitable financing
Our government will
mechanism.
launch the auction
Offshore
of the
mining
first
of minerals.
tranche of
Our
offshore
government will
blocks
launch
for mining,
the auction of the
building
first
on the
tranche
exploration
of
already
offshore
carried
blocks
out.
for mining,
Digital
building
public
on the
infrastructure
exploration
applications
already carried
Turning
out.
to the services sector,
Digital public
I
infrastructure
propose
development of
applications.
DPI applications.
Turning to the services
at
sector,
population
I
scale
propose
for
development
productivity
of
gains,
DPI
business
applications
opportunities,
at population
and innovation
scale
for
by the
productivity
private sector.
gains.
These
Business
are planned in the
opportunities
areas of
and
credit,
innovation, by the
e-commerce,
private sector.
education,
These are
health,
planned in the
law
areas
and
of credit,
justice,
e-commerce,
MSME
education,
service delivery,
health,
and
law and
urban
justice,
governance.
logistics, MSME service
Integrated
delivery,
technology platform
and
for
urban
IBC
governance.
ecosystem.
An
Integrated technology platform
will be
for
set up
IBC ecosystem.
for improving the outcomes
An
under the
integrated
insolvency
technology
bankruptcy
platform
code
will be set up
for achieving
for improving the
consistency,
outcomes under the
transparency,
insolvency bankruptcy
timely
code
processing
for
and
achieving
better
consistency
oversight for all
transparency,
stakeholders,
timely processing
voluntary
and
closure
better
of
oversight
LLPs
for all
the services
stakeholders.
of the Center for
Voluntary
Processing
closure of
accelerated
LLPs.
corporate
The services
exit. of the Center for
CPAs
Processing
will be extended for
accelerated voluntary
corporate
closure
exit
of
CPAs
LLPs
to
will be
reduce
extended
the
for
closure
voluntary
times.
closure of LLPs
National
to
company
reduce
law
the
tribunals.
closure times. The IBC has resolved
National
more than
company law
1,000
tribunals.
companies, resulting
The
in
IBC
direct
has
recovery
resolved
of
more than 1,000
3.3
companies,
lakh crore
resulting
to
in
creditors.
direct recovery of
3.3 lakh crore to creditors.
In addition,
3.3 lakh
crore
rupees to creditors
involving over 10
In
lakh
addition,
crore rupees
28,000
have been
cases
disposed of
involving
even
over
prior to
10 lakh
admission.
crore rupees have been
Appropriate
disposed
changes
of
to the IBC,
even prior to
reforms
admission. and strengthening of the tribunal
Appropriate
and
changes
appellate
to the
tribunals
IBC,
will be
reforms
initiated
and strengthening
to
of the
speed up
tribunal
insolvency
and appellate
resolution.
tribunals
Additional
will be
tribunals
initiated
will be
to speed up
established.
insolvency
Out of those,
resolution.
some will be
Additional
notified
tribunals
to decide
will be
cases
established
exclusively
those,
under the
some will
Companies
be
Act.
notified
to decide cases
Debt recovery.
exclusively under the
Steps for
Companies
reforming
Act.
and strengthening debt recovery tribunals
Debt recovery
will be taken.
Steps for
Additional
reforming and strengthening
tribunals will
debt
be
recovery
established
tribunals
to speed
will be
up
taken.
recovery.
Additional tribunals will
Priority
be established
urban
to speed up
development.
recovery. Cities as growth
Priority
hubs.
5,
Working
urban
with
development.
states. Our government
Cities
will
as
facilitate
growth
development
hubs.
of cities as
Working
growth
with
hubs.
states.
Our
This
government
will
will
be
facilitate
achieved
development
through
of
economic
cities
and
as
transit
growth
planning.
hubs. And orderly
This will
development
be
of
achieved
peri-urban
through economic
areas,
and transit
utilizing
planning
town planning
and
schemes.
orderly development of peri-urban
Creative
areas,
redevelopment of
utilizing
cities.
town planning schemes.
For creative
brownfield
creative
redevelopment of existing cities with a transformative impact,
brownfield
our government will
redevelopment of
formulate
existing
a framework
cities with
for
a
enabling
transformative
policies.
impact.
Our
Market-based
government will
mechanisms
formulate a
and
framework
regulation
for enabling policies,
transit-oriented
market-based
development,
mechanisms, and
transit-oriented development plans for 14
Transit-oriented
large
development
cities with a population
Transit-oriented
above
development
30
plans
lakh
for 14
will be
large
formulated,
cities
with a
along with an
population
implementation
above 30
and
lakh
financing
will be formulated,
strategy.
along with an implementation
Urban
and
housing
financing strategy.
Under the PM Awas Yojana,
Urban housing 2.0.
Under the
Housing
PM
needs of
Awas
1 crore
Yojana,
urban poor
urban
and middle class
2.0.
families will be
Housing
addressed
needs
with
of
an
1
investment
crore
of
urban poor
10
and
lakh
middle
crore
class
families
families
will be addressed with an investment of 10 lakh crore
This
rupees.
will include the central assistance of 2.2 lakh crore
This will
rupees
include
in the
the
next
central
5
assistance
years.
of 2.2
provision
lakh
of
crore
interest
rupees
subsidy
in the next
to
5
facilitate
years.
loans at
A
affordable
provision of
rates
interest
is
subsidy
also envisaged.
to facilitate
In
loans
addition,
at
enabling
affordable
policies
rates
and
is
regulations
also envisaged.
for efficient and
In
transparent
addition,
rental
enabling
housing
policies and regulations
transparent
for
rental
efficient and
housing
transparent
markets
rental
with
housing
enhanced availability will also be
transparent
put
rental housing
in
markets
place.
with enhanced
Water supply
availability
and
will also
sanitation.
be put in
In
place.
partnership with
Water
state
supply and sanitation.
governments
In
and multilateral
partnership with
development
state
banks, we will promote water supply,
governments,
sewage
and multilateral
treatments,
development banks,
and
we will
solid waste
promote
management
water supply
projects
and
sewage
services
treatments
for 100
and
large
solid
cities
waste management
through
projects
bankable
and
projects.
services for
These projects
100
will also
large
envisage
cities
through
uses-
bankable projects.
use of treated
These
water
projects
for
will also
irrigation
envisage
and filling up of
uses-
tanks in nearby
use of
areas.
treated water for
Street
irrigation
markets
and filling up of tanks
building
in
on the
nearby
success of
areas.
PM Swanidhi.
Street
PM
markets.
Swanidhi scheme.
Building on the
in
success of
transforming
PM
the
Swanidhi,
lives of street vendors.
PM Swanidhi
Our
scheme
government envisions
in transforming
a
the
scheme
lives
to
of street
support
vendors.
each year.
Our government
over the
envisions
next 5 years.
a scheme
the development
to support
of
100
each year.
weekly
over the next
hearts
5 years.
or
The
street food
development
hubs
of 100
in select cities.
weekly
hearts or street food hubs in
Stamp
select
duty.
cities.
We will encourage states which continue to charge
Stamp duty.
high stamp duty.
We will
to moderate
encourage
the
states
rates
which continue
for
to
all.
charge
and
high
all-
stamp
and also
duty
consider
to moderate
further
the
lowering
rates
duties
for all
for properties
and all-
purchased
and also
by women.
consider further
This
lowering
reform
duties
will
for
be made
properties purchased
an
by
essential
women.
component
This
of
reform
urban
will
development
be made
schemes.
an essential
Priority
component
6
of
energy
urban
security.
development schemes.
Energy transition.
Priority 6
In the interim budget,
energy security.
I had announced our strategy
Energy
to sustain
transition.
high
In the
and
interim
more
budget,
resource
I had
efficient
announced
economic
our
growth,
strategy to sustain
along with the energy
high
security
and more
in terms
resource
of
efficient economic
availability,
growth, along with the
accessibility,
energy
and
security in terms
affordability.
of availability.
We will bring out a policy
accessibility,
document
and
on
appropriate
affordability.
energy transition pathways.
We will bring out a
that
policy
balances
document
the imperatives
on
of
appropriate
employment,
energy transition
growth,
pathways
and
that
environmental
balances the
sustainability.
imperatives of employment,
PM
growth,
Surya
and environmental
Muft
sustainability.
Bijli Yojana.
PM
Surya
Muft
Muft Bijli Yojana. In line with the announcement in the interim budget. Muft Bijli Yojana.
In line with the announcement in the interim budget.
PM Surya Ghar Muft
In
Bijli
line with the
Yojana
announcement
has
in the
been
interim
launched
budget
to install
PM
rooftop
Surya Ghar
solar
Muft Bijli
plants
Yojana
to
has
enable
been launched to install
rooftop solar plants
to enable
1 crore households obtain free electricity
enable
up to
1
300
crore
units every
households
month. Obtain free
The
electricity
scheme has
up to
generated
300 units every
remarkable
month.
response
With more
The
than
scheme has
1.28
generated
crore
remarkable
registrations
response
and more than
14 lakh
1.28 crore
and we will
registrations
further encourage
and 14 lakh applications.
pumped storage
and we will
policy.
further
A policy
encourage
for
it.
promoting pumped storage
Pumped
projects
storage
will
policy.
be brought out
A
for
policy for
electricity
promoting
storage
pumped storage
and
projects
facilitating
will be
smooth
brought out
integration
for
of the
electricity
growing
share
storage
of
and
renewable
facilitating
energy
smooth
with its
integration
variable and
of the
intermittent
growing share
nature
of
in the
renewable
overall
energy
with
energy
its
mix.
variable and intermittent
Research
nature
and development
in the overall
of small
energy
and
modular
mix.
nuclear reactors.
Research and development of small and
nuclear
modular
energy
nuclear
is expected
reactors
to form a very significant part of the
Nuclear
energy
energy
mix for
is
Viksit
expected
to form a very significant part of the
Towards
energy
that
mix
pursuit,
for Viksit
our
Bharat.
government will partner with the private sector for
Towards that
one,
pursuit,
setting up
our government will
Bharat
partner
small
with the
reactors.
private sector for
Two,
one,
research
setting up
and development of
Bharat
Bharat
small
small reactors.
modular reactor
research
and three,
and development
research
of
and
Bharat's
development
small
of
modular
newer
reactor.
technologies,
And three,
for nuclear
research and
energy.
development of
The
new
R&D
newer
funding announced
technologies
in the interim
for
budget
nuclear
will be
energy.
made available
The R&D
for this
funding
sector
announced in the
also.
interim budget will be made
Advanced
available
Albus
for this sector
advanced
also.
ultra supercritical
Advanced
thermal
Albus
power
soup-
plants, advanced
The
ultra
development of indigenous
supercritical
technology
thermal power
for
plants,
advanced
ultra
the development of
supercritical
indigenous technology
thermal power plants
for advanced
with much higher efficiency
supercritical
has been completed.
thermal power plants
A joint
with
venture
much
between
higher efficiency
NTPC
has been
and
completed.
BHEL
A joint
will
venture
set up a
between
full-scale
NTPC
800
and
megawatt
BHEL
commercial plant
will set up
using
a full-scale
800
AUSC
megawatt
technology.
commercial plant using
The
the
government
government
will
will
provide
provide the required fiscal support. Moving
The government
forward,
will provide
development
the
of
required
indigenous
fiscal support.
capacity.
For the
Moving
production
forward,
of high-grade
development
steel
of
and
other
indigenous
advanced
capacity
metallurgy
for the
materials
production of
for these
high-grade
plants
steel
will
and
result
other
in
advanced
strong
metallurgy
spin-off
materials
benefits
for
these
the
plants will result
Roadmap
in
for
strong
hard
spin-off
to
benefits
abate
for the
industries.
economies.
A roadmap for moving
the
hard to abate industries
from energy
a roadmap
efficiency
for
targets
moving
to
the hard
emission
to abate
targets
industries
will
from
be
energy
formulated.
efficiency targets
Appropriate
to emission
regulations
targets
for transition
will be
of these
formulated.
industries from the current
Appropriate
regulations for
achieve
transition
and
of
trade
these
mode
industries
to Indian
from the
carbon
current
market
perform
mode
will be
achieve
put in
and
place.
trade mode to Indian carbon
Support
market
to
mode
traditional
will be put
micro
in place.
and small industries.
Support
and investment
to traditional
grade
energy
micro
audit
and small
of
industries.
traditional micro and
And
small
investment
industries
grade
in 60
energy
clusters
of traditional
including
micro
brass
and small
and ceramic
industries in 60
will be
clusters.
facilitated.
Including
Financial
brass
support
and
will be
ceramic
provided
will
for
be
shifting them
facilitated.
to cleaner forms
Financial
of energy
support will
and
be
implementation
provided
of
for
energy
shifting them to
efficiency
cleaner forms
measures.
of energy.
The
and
scheme will be
implementation of
replicated in
energy
another 100
efficiency
clusters
measures.
in the next phase.
The scheme will be replicated in another 100 clusters
Priority
in the next
7.
phase. Infrastructure
Priority
investment by
7.
central government. Significant
Infrastructure
investment the central
investment
government
by
has
central
made
government.
over the years
Significant
in building
investment
and improving
the central
infrastructure
government has made
has had
over
a
the years
strong
in
multiplier
building
effect
and improving
on the
infrastructure.
economy.
Has had
We will
a
endeavor
strong
to maintain
multiplier
strong
effect
fiscal
on the
support
economy.
for
We will
infrastructure
endeavor
over
to
the next
maintain
5
strong
years
fiscal
in conjunction
support
with
for
imperatives
infrastructure
over the
other
next 5
priorities
years
and
in
fiscal
conjunction with
consolidation.
imperatives
This year,
of
I
other
have
priorities and
11
fiscal
lakh
consolidation.
11,111
This year, I have
crore
provided
rupees
11
for
lakh
capital expenditure.
11,111 crore rupees for capital
This would be
expenditure.
3.4% of our GDP. This would
Infrastructure
be
investment by state
3.4% of our
governments.
GDP.
We will encourage states to provide
Infrastructure
support
investment by
of
state
similar
governments.
scale for
We will
infrastructure,
encourage states to
subject
provide
to their
support
development
of
priorities.
similar scale
A
for
provision of
infrastructure
1.5
subject
lakh
to their
crore
development
rupees.
priorities.
For long-term
provision of
interest-free
1.5 lakh
loans have
crore
been made
rupees
this year.
for long-term
Also to support
interest-free
the states,
loans
loans have been
resource
made
allocation.
this year. Also to support the states
Private
in their
investment in
resource
infrastructure.
allocation. Investment in infrastructure by private
investment
sector
in
will
infrastructure.
be promoted through viability
Investment in
gap
infrastructure
funding and
by
enabling
private
policies
sector
and
will be
regulations.
promoted
A
through
market-based
viability gap
financing
funding
framework
and enabling
will be
policies and
brought out.
regulations.
A market-based
Pradhan
financing
Mantri
framework
Gram Sadak
will be
Yojana
brought out.
Phase 4
Pradhan
of the
Mantri
PMGSY
Gram Sadak Yojana
will be launched.
Phase 4
to provide all
of the
weather
PMGSY
connectivity
will
to
be launched
25,000
to provide
rural habitation
all weather connectivity
to 25,000
which have become eligible
rural
in view
habitation
of their population increase, which have become eligible in view of their population increase.
irrigation and flood
Mitigation. Bihar has frequently
Irrigation
suffered
and
from
floods.
flood mitigation.
many of them
Bihar
originating
has
outside
frequently
the country.
suffered from floods.
Plans to
Many
build
of them
flood
originating
control
outside the
structures in
country.
Nepal
Are yet
Plans
to
to build
progress.
flood
Our
control
government,
structures in
through the
Nepal
accelerated
are yet to
irrigation
progress.
benefit
Our
program
government
and
through
other
the accelerated
sources
irrigation
will provide
benefit
financial support
program
for projects
and
with
other
estimated
sources
cost of
will provide
11,500
financial support for
projects
crore
with
rupees.
estimated cost of
11,500 crore rupees. The Kosi-Michi intra-state links, such as and 20
The
other
Kosi,
ongoing
Michi
and new
intra-state
schemes,
link,
including barrages,
and 20 other
river
ongoing
pollution
and new
abatement
schemes,
and irrigation
including
projects.
barrages,
In addition,
river pollution
survey
abatement
and investigation
irrigation projects.
of Kosi
In
related
addition,
flood mitigation
survey and
investigation
irrigation
projects
of
will
Kosi
be
related
related flood mitigation and irrigation projects will be
Assam.
undertaken. Assam grapples with floods every year.
Assam
By the Brahmaputra River
Assam
and
grapples
its
with
tributaries
floods every year
originating
by the
outside
Brahmaputra
India.
River.
We
and
will
its
provide
tributaries
assistance to Assam
originating
for
outside
flood
India.
management and
We will provide
related
assistance to
projects.
Assam
for flood management and related projects. Himachal Pradesh suffered extensive losses
Himachal
due to
Pradesh
floods last year. Suffered
Our
extensive
government will
losses
provide assistance
due
to the
to
state
floods last
for
year.
reconstruction.
Our government
and
will provide
rehabilitation
assistance
through
to the state
multilateral
for
development
reconstruction and rehabilitation through multilateral development assistance. Uttarakhand too suffered losses due to cloudbursts and massive landslides.
Uttarakhand too
We will
suffered
provide
losses
assistance
due
to
to
the state.
cloudbursts and massive landslides.
Recently, we will
Sikkim
provide
witnessed
assistance to the
devastating
state.
flash floods.
Recently,
and landslides.
Sikkim
that
witnessed
wreaked
devastating
havoc
flash
across
floods
the state.
and
Our
landslides
government will provide
that
assistance
wreaked
to the
havoc
state.
across the state. Our government will provide assistance to the
Tourism.
state. Tourism has always been. Tourism has always been a part of our civilization. Tourism
Our efforts
has always
in
been a part
positioning
of our
India
civilization as a global
Our
tourist
efforts
destination.
in
Will
positioning
also
India
create jobs
as a global
stimulate
tourist
investment
destination
and
will
unlock
also
economic
create jobs,
opportunities
stimulate
for other
investments,
sectors
in
and
addition
unlock
to the measures
economic
outlined
opportunities
in the
for
interim
other
budget.
sectors. In
I
addition to the
propose
measures
the following
outlined
measures.
in the interim budget,
Vishnupad
I
temple at
propose
Gaya,
the following
and
measures.
Mahabodhi temple at
Vishnupad
Bodh Gaya
temple
in
at
Bihar
Gaya and Mahabodhi
immense
temple at
spiritual
Bodh Gaya
significance
in Bihar are of immense
Comprehensive
development
significance.
of Vishnupad temple corridor. Comprehensive development of Vishnupad temple corridor will be supported and Mahabodhi temple on the successful Kashi Vishwanath temple corridor model to transform successful Kashi Vishwanath temple corridor and to transform them into world-class Rajgir and tourist destinations. Rajgir holds immense religious significance. Rajgir for Hindus, Rajgir holds immense religious significance. For Hindus, Muniswara and Jains. In the Jain complex, Jain temple complex is ancient. Temple. The Saptarishi or the seven hot springs temple complex is ancient. Water the Saptarishi or the seven hot springs, a comprehensive development initiative for Rajgir that is sacred will be undertaken. A comprehensive development initiative for Rajgir will be undertaken. Will support the development of Nananda as a tourist center. Will support the development of Nalanda as a tourist center. Besides reviving Odisha's scenic beauty to its glorious Odisha's scenic beauty, temples, monuments, Odisha's scenic beauty, wildlife sanctuaries, Odisha's scenic beauty, landscape, temples, and pristine beaches, make it an ultimate tourism destination. Sanctuaries. Natural landscapes will provide assistance for their development to Odisha as well. Tourism destination. Our government will provide assistance for their development to Odisha as well. Research and development. We will operationalize the Anusandhan National Research Fund and for basic research and prototype development. Operationalize further the Anusandhan National Research Fund for spurring basic research-driven research and prototype innovation. At commercial scale, we will set up a financing pool of 1 lakh private sector-driven research in line with the announcement in the interim budget. with a
space
financing
economy,
pool of 1 lakh
with our continued
crore
emphasis
rupees in line
on
with
expanding the
announcement
space
in the
economy
interim
by
budget.
5 times in the
Space
next 10
economy,
years,
a
with our
venture
continued
capital fund
emphasis
of
on expanding the
1,000
space
crore
economy
rupees
by
will be
5
set up.
times in the next 10 years.
Priority
a venture
9,
capital fund
next
of
generation reforms,
1,000 crore
economic
rupees
policy
will be
framework.
set up. We will formulate an
Priority
economic
9,
policy
next
framework
generation
to
reforms,
delineate
economic
the overarching
policy
framework
framework.
to
We
economic
will formulate
development
an
and
economic
set the
policy
scope of
framework
the next generation
to
of reforms
delineate
for
the
facilitating
overarching
employment
approach
opportunities
to economic
and sustaining
development
high growth.
and set the scope
Our
of the
government
next
will
generation of
initiate
reforms
and
for
incentivize
facilitating
reforms
employment
for
opportunities
one,
and
improving
sustaining high
productivity
growth.
of factors of
Our
production.
government will initiate
and two,
and
facilitating
incentivize
markets
reforms
and
for
sectors
one,
to become more
improving
efficient.
productivity of
These
factors of
reforms will
production.
cover
And
all
two,
factors of
facilitating
production,
markets
namely
and
land,
sectors,
to
labor,
become more
capital,
efficient.
and
These
entrepreneurship
reforms will cover
and technology
all
as
factors
an
of
enabler
production,
of
namely
improving
land,
total
labor,
factor productivity
capital,
and
bridging
entrepreneurship,
inequality.
and technology as
Effective
an enabler
implementation
of
of
improving
seven of these
total
reforms
factor
requires
productivity
collaboration
and
between
bridging
the
center
inequality.
and the states, and
Effective
building consensus
implementation
as
of
several
development
of
of the
these
country
reforms
lies in
requires
development of the
collaboration
states.
between the center
For promoting
and the
competitive
states,
federalism
and building consensus
and incentivizing
as development
states
of the
for
country
faster
lies
implementation
in
of
development of
reforms,
the states.
I
For
propose to
promoting
earmark
competitive
a
federalism
significant part
and
of the 50-year
incentivizing states
interest-free
for faster
loan.
implementation of
Working
reforms,
with the states,
I
we will
propose
initiate
to
the
earmark
following reforms.
a significant part of the 50-year interest-free loan. Working with the states, we will initiate the following
and
reforms.
actions.
Both in the rural and urban areas, will cover land
administration
and actions.
will cover
One,
both
land
in the rural and
administration,
urban areas
planning and management
will cover,
and two,
land
urban
administration
planning usage
will
and
cover,
building bylaws.
one,
Land
these will be
administration,
incentivized
planning and
for
management
completion within the next
and
3
two,
years
urban
through
planning
appropriate
usage and
fiscal
building bylaws.
support.
These
Rural
will be
land
incentivized
related
for
actions.
completion within the next
Rural
3
land
years
related
through
actions will
appropriate
include fiscal
one,
support.
assignment of unique
Rural
land
land
parcel
related
identification
actions.
number.
Rural land
UL
related
PIN
actions will
or
include
Bhu
one,
Aadhaar for
assignment
all
of
lands.
unique land
Two,
parcel identification
digitization of cadastral
number.
maps.
UL PIN.
Three,
or
survey of
Bhu Aadhaar
subdivisions
for all
survey
lands.
of maps
Two,
and subdivisions
digitization
as
of
per current
cadastral
ownership.
maps.
Four,
Three,
survey
establishment
of
of land
subdivisions.
registry, survey
And
of
five,
maps
linking
and
to the farmers'
subdivisions
registry.
as per current
These
ownership.
actions will also
Four,
facilitate
establishment
credit
of land
flow
registry
and other. And five, linking to
agricultural
the farmers'
services.
registry. These
Urban
actions will
land
also
related
facilitate
actions.
credit flow and
Other
land records in urban areas
agricultural
will be
services.
digitized.
With
Urban land
GIS
related
mapping.
actions. An IT-based system
Land
for
records
property
and
in
urban
urban
areas
administration
will be
digitized
digitized
and
with
tax
GIS
administration
mapping.
will be
An
established.
IT-based system
These
for
will also
property
facilitate
record administration,
improving the financial
updating
position and
of
tax
urban
administration
local
will
bodies.
be established. Labor
These
related
will also
reforms,
facilitate
services
improving
to
the
labor.
financial
Our
position
government
of
will
urban
facilitate the
local
provision
bodies.
of a wide array of
Labor
services to
related
labor,
reforms,
including
services to
those
labor,
for employment and
our
skilling.
government
Will
a
facilitate the
comprehensive
provision of a
integration
wide
of
array of services to
e-Shram
labor,
portal
including
with other
those for
portals will
employment and
facilitate
skilling. Such
a
one-stop
comprehensive
solution,
integration of
open architecture
e-Shram
databases
portal
with
for the
other
rapidly
portals will
changing labor
facilitate
market,
such
skill
one-stop
requirements
solution
and available
open
job
architecture
roles
databases
and a mechanism to connect
for the rapidly
job
changing labor
aspirants
market with
skill
potential
requirements
employers and
available
skill
job
providers
roles
will
and a
be
mechanism
covered
to connect
in these
job
services.
aspirants
Shram
with potential
Suvidha
employers
and Samadhan
and
portal.
skill providers
Shram Suvidha
will be
and
covered
Samadhan
in
portal
these services.
will be revamped
Shram Suvidha
to enhance
and Samadhan
ease of
portal
compliance for
Shram
industry
Suvidha
and
trade.
Samadhan portal will
Capital
be
and
revamped
entrepreneurship
to
related
enhance
reforms
ease of compliance
financial
for
sector
industry
vision
and
strategy.
strategy. For meeting financial
Capital
and
financing
entrepreneurship
needs
related
of the
reforms,
economy,
financial
our government
sector
will bring
vision
out and
a
strategy.
financial sector vision
For meeting
and
financing
strategy
document
financing
to
needs
prepare the
of
sector
economy
in terms of
our
size,
government will bring
capacity,
out a financial
and
sector
skills.
vision.
This
and
will set the
strategy
agenda
document
for the next
to
5
prepare
years
the sector
and guide
in
the
terms
work
of
of the
size,
government,
capacity,
regulators,
and
skills.
financial institutions.
This will set
and
the
market
agenda for the next
participants.
5 years and guide the work of the government, climate regulators, we will develop taxonomy for climate and market for enhancing the availability taxonomy for climate adaptation. We will develop taxonomy for climate finance support for enhancing achievement of the country's climate commitments, climate adaptation, and green transition and mitigation. This will support achievement of the country's climate commitments. We will seek the required legislative approval for providing an efficient variable and flexible structure for financing. We will seek the required legislative approval and for providing an efficient private equity and flexible mode through a variable for financing leasing of aircrafts and ships, foreign direct investments and overseas of private equity, the rules and regulations for foreign direct investment and overseas direct investments will be simplified. Two, the rules and regulations for foreign direct investments and overseas investments will be simplified. And three, to promote opportunities, facilitate for using Indian rupee as a currency for overseas investment. And three, promote opportunities for using Indian rupee as a currency for overseas contribution by parents and guardians for minors. NPS Vatsalya, a plan for contribution by majorities. The plan can be converted for seamlessly into a normal NPS on attaining the age of majority. Use of technology. The plan can be converted. We have successfully used technology a normal for improving productivity and bridging inequality in our economy. We have successfully used technology for improving productivity in digital infrastructure and bridging inequality in our economy private sector during the past helped in improving access. Public investment in digital infrastructure and innovations to market the private sector have helped in improving access of all we will step up adoption of technology towards market resources, digitalization of the economy, health and services, ease of doing business. We will step up for enhancing ease of doing business towards we are already working on the digitalization of the economy. Bill, ease of doing business. For enhancing ease of doing business, we are already working on the implementation of the business reforms action plans and digitalization will be incentivized. Data and for implementation of the business reforms data governance collection, processing and management of data and statistics, different sectoral for improving data governance, including those collection, established processing under the and management of data and statistics, will be utilized different with sectoral use of technology tools, including those established under the Digital India Mission. New pension will be utilized. The committee to review the NPS has made considerable progress in its new pension scheme. I am happy to. The committee to review the NPS has made considerable progress in its work. That the staff side of the National Council of the Joint Consultative Machinery for Central Government Employees. That the staff side of the National Council of the Joint Consultative Machinery for Central Government Employees, while maintaining fiscal prudence, a solution will be evolved which addresses the relevant issues while maintaining fiscal prudence to protect the common citizens. Budget estimates for 24-25. For the year 24-25, total receipts other than borrowings and the total expenditure are estimated at 32.07 lakh crore rupees and 48.21 lakh crore rupees respectively. The net tax receipts are estimated at 25.83 lakh crore rupees. The fiscal deficit is estimated at 4.9% of the GDP. The gross and the net market borrowings through dated securities during 24-25 are estimated at 14.01 lakh crore rupees and 11.63 lakh crore rupees respectively. Both will be less than that in 23-24. The fiscal consolidation path announced by me in 2021 has served our economy very well, and we aim to reach the deficit below 4.5% next year. The government is committed to staying the course. From 2026-27 onwards, our endeavor will be to keep the fiscal deficit each year such that the central government's debt will be on a declining path as percentage of GDP. I will now move to Part B. Indirect taxes. Sir, I start with GST. It has decreased tax incidence on the common man, reduced compliance burden and logistics cost for trade and industry, and enhanced revenues of the central and the state governments. It is a success of vast proportions. To multiply the benefits of GST, we will strive to further simplify and rationalize the tax structure and endeavour to expand it to the remaining sectors. My proposals for customs duties intend to support domestic manufacturing, deepen local value addition, promote export competitiveness, and simplify taxation while keeping the interest of the general public and consumers surmount. In Budget 22-23, we reduced the number of customs duty rates. I propose to undertake a comprehensive review of the rate structure over the next 6 months to rationalize and simplify it for ease of trade, removal of duty inversion, and reduction of disputes. I shall now take up sector-specific customs duty proposals. Medicine and medical equipments. To provide relief to cancer patients, I propose to fully exempt 3 more medicines from customs duties. I also propose changes in the BCD on X-ray tubes and flat panel detectors for use in medical X-ray machines under the phased manufacturing program so as to synchronize them with the domestic capacity addition. Mobile phone and related parts. With a 3-fold increase in domestic production and almost a 100-fold jump in exports of mobile phones over the last 6 years, the Indian mobile industry has matured. In the interest of consumers, I now propose to reduce the BCD on mobile phone, mobile PCBA, and mobile charger to 15%. Critical minerals. Minerals such as lithium, copper, cobalt, and rare earth elements are critical for sectors like nuclear energy, renewable energy, space, defense, telecommunications, and high-tech electronics. I propose to fully exempt customs duties on 25 critical minerals and reduce BCD on 2 of them. This will provide a major fillip to the processing and refining of such minerals and help secure their availability for these strategic and important sectors. Solar energy. Energy transition is critical in the fight against climate change. To support energy transition, I propose to expand the list of exempted capital goods for use in the manufacture of solar cells and panels in the country. Further, in view of sufficient domestic manufacturing capacity of solar gas, glass, and tinned copper interconnect, I propose not to extend the exemption of custom duties provided to them. Marine products. India's seafood exports in the last financial year touched an all-time high of more than 60,000 crores of rupees. Frozen shrimp accounted for about 2/3 of these exports. To enhance their competitiveness, I propose to reduce BCD on certain broodstock, polychaete worms, shrimp, and fish feed to 5%. I also propose to exempt customs duty on various inputs for manufacture of shrimp and fish feed. Leather and textile. Similarly, to enhance the competitiveness of exports in the leather and textile sectors, I propose to reduce BCD on real down-filling material from duck or goose. I am also making additions to the list of exempted goods for manufacture of leather and textile garments, footwear, and other leather articles for export. To rectify inversion in duty, I propose to reduce BCD subject to conditions on methylene diphenyl diisocyanate, MDI, for manufacture of spandex yarn from 7.5 to 5%. Furthermore, the export duty structure on raw hides, skin, and leather is proposed to be simplified and rationalized. Precious metals. To enhance domestic value addition in gold and precious metal jewelry in the country, I propose to reduce customs duties on gold and silver to 6% and that of platinum to 6.4%. Other metals, steel and copper, are important raw materials. To reduce their cost of production, I propose to remove the BCD on ferronickel and blister copper. I am also continuing with nil BCD on ferrous scrap and nickel cathode and concessional BCD of 2.5% on copper scrap. Electronics. To increase value addition in the domestic electronics industry, I propose to remove the BCD subject to conditions on oxygen-free copper for manufacture of resistors. I also propose to exempt certain parts for manufacture of connectors. Chemicals and petrochemicals. To support existing and new capacities in the pipeline, I propose to increase the BCD on ammonium nitrate from 7.5% to 10%. Plastics. PVC flex banners are non-biodegradable and hazardous for environment and health. To curb their imports, I propose to raise the BCD on them from 10 to 25%. Telecommunication equipment. To incentivize domestic manufacturing, I propose to increase the BCD from 10 to 15% on PCBA of specified telecom equipment. Trade facilitation. To promote domestic aviation and boat and ship MRO, I propose to extend the period for export of goods imported for repairs from 6 months to 1 year. I'll read that again. To promote domestic aviation and boat and ship maintenance, repair and operations, I propose to extend the period for export of goods imported for repairs from 6 months to 1 year. In the same vein, I propose to extend the time limit for re-import of goods for repairs under warranty from 3 to 5 years. I now move to direct taxes. We will continue our efforts to simplify taxes, improve taxpayer services, provide tax certainty, and reduce litigation while enhancing revenues for funding the development and welfare schemes of the government. It has been our endeavor to simplify taxation. We have taken a number of measures in the last few years, including introduction of simplified tax regimes without exemptions and deductions for corporate tax and for personal income tax. This has been appreciated by taxpayers. 58% of corporate tax came from the simplified tax regime in the financial year 22-23. Similarly, as per data available till now, for the last fiscal, more than 2/3 have availed the new personal income tax regime. Comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act. I am now announcing a comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act 1961. The purpose is to make the Act concise, lucid, easy to read and understand. This will reduce disputes and litigation, thereby providing tax certainty to the taxpayers. I will also bring down the demand embroiled in litigation. It is proposed to be completed in 6 months. A beginning is being made in the Finance Bill by simplifying the tax regime for charities, TDS rate structures, provisions of reassessment and such provisions, and capital gains taxation. Simplification for charities and TDS. Two tax exemption regimes. The two tax exemption regimes for charities are proposed to be merged into one. The 5% TDS rate on many payments is being merged into the 2% TDS rate, and the 20% TDS rate on repurchase of units by mutual funds or UTI is being withdrawn. TDS rate on e-commerce operators is proposed to be reduced from 1 to 0.1%. Moreover, credit of TCS is proposed to be given in the TDS to be deducted on salary. Further, I propose to decriminalize delay for payment of TDS up to the due date of filing statement for the same. I also plan to provide a standard operating procedure for TDS defaults and simplify and rationalize the compounding guidelines for such defaults. Simplification of reassessment. I propose to thoroughly simplify the provisions for reopening and reassessment. An assessment hereinafter can be reopened beyond 3 years from the end of the assessment year only if the escaped income is 50 lakh rupees or more, up to a maximum period of 5 years from the end of the assessment year. Even in such cases, a time limit of 6 years before the year of the search, as against the existing time limit of 10 years, is being proposed. This will reduce tax uncertainty and disputes. Simplification and rationalization of capital gains. Capital gains taxation is also proposed to be hugely simplified. Short-term gains on certain financial assets shall henceforth attract a tax rate of 20%, while that on all other financial assets and all non-financial assets shall continue to attract the applicable tax rate. Long-term gains on all financial and non-financial assets, on the other hand, will attract a tax rate of 12.5%. For the benefit of the lower and the middle income classes, I propose to increase the limit of exemption of capital gains on certain financial assets to 1.25 lakh rupees per year. Listed financial assets held for more than a year will be classified as long-term, while unlisted financial assets and all non-financial assets will have to be held for at least 2 years to be classified as long-term. Unlisted bonds and debentures, debt mutual funds, and market-linked debentures, irrespective of holding period, however, will attract tax on capital gains at applicable rates. Taxpayer services. All the major taxpayer services under GST and most services under customs and income tax have been digitalized. All remaining services of customs and income tax, including rectification and order giving effect to appellate orders, shall be digitalized and made paperless over the next 2 years. Litigation and appeals. While our concerted efforts to reduce pendency of appeals at various appellate fora are beginning to show good results, it will continue to engage our highest attention. To dispose of the backlog of first appeals, I plan to deploy more officers to hear and decide such appeals, especially those with large tax effect. For resolution of certain income tax disputes pending an appeal, I am also proposing Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024. Further, I propose to increase monetary limits for filing appeals related to direct taxes, excise and service tax in the tax tribunals, high courts and Supreme Court to 60 lakh rupees, 2 crore rupees and 5 crore respectively, with a view to reduce litigation and provide certainty in international taxation. We will expand the scope of safe harbor rules and make them more attractive. We will also streamline the transfer pricing assessment procedure. Employment and investment. I have a few proposals to promote investment and foster employment. First of all, to bolster the Indian startup ecosystem, boost the entrepreneurial spirit, and to support innovation, I propose to abolish the so-called angel tax for all classes of investors. Second, there is tremendous potential for cruise tourism in India. To give a fillip to this employment-generating industry, I am proposing a simpler tax regime for foreign shipping companies operating domestic cruises in the country. Third, India is a world leader in the diamond cutting and polishing industry, which employs a large number of skilled workers. To further promote the development of this sector, we would provide for safe harbor rates for foreign mining companies selling raw diamonds in the country. Fourth, to attract foreign capital for our development needs, I propose to reduce the corporate tax rate on foreign companies from 40 to 35%. Deepening the tax base. I have a couple of proposals for deepening the tax base. First, security transaction tax on futures and options of securities is proposed to be increased to 0.02% and 0.1% respectively. Second, for reasons of equity, I propose to tax income received on buyback of shares in the hands of recipients. Other proposals. To improve social security benefits, deduction of expenditure by employers towards NPS is proposed to be increased from 10 to 14% of the employee's salary. Similarly, deduction of this expenditure up to 14% of salary from the income of employees in private sector, public sector banks and undertakings opting for the new tax regime is proposed to be provided. Indian professionals working in multinationals get ESOPs and invest in social security schemes and other movable assets abroad. Non-reporting of such small foreign assets has penal consequences under the Black Money Act. Such non-reporting of movable assets up to 20 lakh rupees is proposed to be depenalized. Other major proposals in the finance bill relate to withdrawal of equalization levy of 2%, expansion of tax benefits to certain funds and entities in IFSCs, and immunity from penalty and prosecution to Benamidar on full and true disclosure so as to improve conviction under the Benami Transaction Prohibition Act 1988. Personal income tax. Coming to personal income tax rates, I have two announcements to make for those opting for the new tax regime. First, the standard deduction for salaried employees is proposed to be increased from 50,000 to 75,000 rupees. Similarly, deduction on family pension for pensioners is proposed to be enhanced from 15,000 to 25,000 rupees. This will provide relief to about 4 crore salaried individuals and pensioners. Second, in the new tax regime, the tax rate structure is proposed to be revised as follows. 0 to 3 lakh rupees, nil. 3 to 7 lakh rupees, 5%. 7 to 10 lakh rupees, 10%. 10 to 12 lakh rupees, 15%. 12 to 15 lakh rupees, 20%. And above 15 lakh rupees, 30%. As a result of these changes, a salaried employee in the new tax regime stands to save up to 17,500 rupees in income tax. Apart from these, I am also making some other changes as given in the annexure. As a result of these proposals, revenue of about 37,000 crore, that is 29,000 crore in direct taxes and 8,000 crore in indirect taxes will be foregone, while revenue of about 30,000 crore rupees will be additionally mobilized. Thus, the total revenue foregone is about 7,000 crores annually. Mr. Speaker, sir, with this, I commend the budget to this august House. Jai Hind.
Item number 2. Item number 2.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table the following statements under Section 3 of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management, FRBM Act 2003, Medium-Term Fiscal Policy cum Fiscal Policy Strategy Statement and Macroeconomic Framework Statement.
Item number 3.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to move for leave to introduce the Finance Number 2 Bill 2024.
प्रश्न ये कि विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय मंत्री जी, अब विधेयक पुनर्स्थापित करें।
Sir, I introduce the bill.
Item number 4.
The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir budget. Sir, I